how to fix error 0xc00007b. So if you want to fix the error, then there are simple steps. So first, open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you need to simply go with the search, and you need to search for C++ redistributable download, and you will get learn.microsoft.com. Go with that, and from here you need to download the Visual Studios. So you can simply go with the 64-bit and make sure to download this. Once you've downloaded, now you can go back and you need to simply go with the search and search for CMD or command prompt. Go with run as administrator, click on yes, and you will get this kind of interface. So this error generally comes when we have the corrupted files of redistributable C++ corruptions, or if we do not have a Visual Studio. So if you're going to reinstall the C++ redistributable files, it will not only refresh those files, it will also install it. So you just need to simply go with the command prompt and enter sfc space / scan now, and then hit the enter, and it will begin the system scan. And this procedure might take 5 to 7 minutes or more than that, depending on your computer's configuration. And once this is done, you just need to simply restart your computer, and most probably the error code will be gone. So that's it. That's how you can fix the error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.